Well, it might be if there's moisture behind the walls. And today, because of construction techniques, it's very common for there to be some moisture, some water behind the wall. That invites mold to grow. And that mold can be putting toxins into the air and spores into the air invisibly to you, but detectably if you bring in a mold measurement expert. We use baking soda and vinegar to remove external mold, to clean shower curtains, rather than using toxic chemicals to do the same. Check for leaks behind walls, especially bathrooms and kitchens. In terms of personal care products, we prefer Castile soaps and herbal soaps. Check the EWG.org/EWG Verified website for suggestions of sustainably prepared personal care products. If you smell something in the water, it's probably chlorine, it might be bromine, and I suggest using then a carbon block filter on your shower. Now, my bathroom has a steam shower, rainfall spray nozzles, therapeutic green, amber, and blue lights, and a regular shower. We also have a 10-person Finnish dry sauna in our basement so that you can use low temperature saunas, 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, to mobilize lipophilic, fat-loving compounds, chemicals, solvents, persisting pollutants. Even some toxic metals are removed when the metallothionein binds them up and puts them in the oil in the sauna. Now, we also grow plants that consume solvents and toxins. And I drink herbal teas and mineral water to stay well hydrated for the water-soluble toxins to get out of my body. And I suggest stretching several times each day. Stretching brings the nutrient-rich fluids to the cells, is needed to do that, and to remove metabolic waste from the cells so they don't build up. So these are some suggestions for how to live and thrive in the 21st century. Check our book, Thriving in the 21st Century. Check our websites, including drrusselljaffe.com, and on the YouTube channel, Dr. Russell Jaffe, for more information, inspiration, and how to thrive today being free of these kinds of mold toxins.